I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3, 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that I do it all and I'm around.
Hey y'all. Alright, so I played been sick over the last week or so. Came back from the beach. Next thing you know, went down here. Alright, so today we are making some shrimp fried rice, cauliflower rice edition.
What did he say?
Yes, I said it, cauliflower rice. It actually tastes good. So we gonna get into that. Y'all gonna watch. Alright, these are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using, okay? Garlic salt, onion powder, and tenders. I've heard a lot of people talk about this. I haven't used this particular one. I used the butter one for the steak, and it is fire. So I'm gonna try this one out. Alright, so the next step, what I want to do is I'm going to season it. I am eyeballing it. Don't ask me about no measurements. Season to your heart's content. But me, a player, trying to make sure I look out for my blood pressure. How them old folks say they on them high blood pressure. Alright, so a little bit of that. And then garlic salt. Keep in mind, shrimp is easy to get over seasoned, so you got to be careful with that. And to make it stick, I'm going to use some olive oil. I usually like avocado oil, but didn't have the chance to go pick it up, so we're gonna what we got. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna mix it up. All right. All right. Alright, so we're going to let that soak up for a second. And we're going to grab, put a little bit of oil in here. And I'm also going to put some butter in here just to give it like a little bit of a buttery type taste. So be right back, folks. Now it's time to put the shrimp in. Little lopsided, but that's all right. Let that cook about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. The shrimp doesn't take long to cook it, so I'll give it about 5 minutes for all that. Yeah, so I had to turn the camera off real quick so I can put these bad boys over. Because, yeah, I am scared of grease. I hate getting popped by the eye. All that. Everybody thinks it's a joke, but I am dead serious. I be dead scared of grease. I hate frying chicken. I hate frying pork. Anything that got something to do with grease, I be P.O. about it. Because I don't want to get popped because you hungry. But nevertheless, we're going to get this to work. Alright, next step, we're going to put some butter back in here, and then we're going to put the mixed vegetables in here. Yeah, I'm glutton for punishment. No, I'm scared. And we're going to keep all that seasoning and whatever else in there. And then put some more butter. Okay. Now I'm going to use some of this tender seasoning on this. This is the one with the all-purpose anyway. I'm not gonna put too much. Instead of using the garlic salt, I am going to use Himalayan salt. You see, I use that a lot. Again, I am a person that does not measure, but I know when to hold them and when to fold them. Alright, so we're going to work with that for right now. Alright, so next thing I did was I placed in cauliflower rice. And I'm mixing it up. It was frozen, so it'll probably melt. Yes, I am making a mess. It will be clean, trust me. Now, with this one, I want to put this on here. Yeah, it's a bit messy, but I'll get it together, don't worry. Alright. Okay. And then the next step I'm getting ready to do is drop the eggs in there. Yeah, I'm going all full throttle. I'm dropping the eggs in it. Yes, it can all go in the same pot. It's cooking. It will not be raw, trust me. Okay, so you added the shrimp, eggs, and everything. It looks pretty decent to me. I try not to add too much seasoning, but I'm making sure that it's still a little bit flavorful. Yes, it is a bit messy because it is one pot that we are using. Alright. Alright, now it's time for the taste test. So, get a fork. Hold on. Alright. See, look at that. Again, this is cauliflower rice. So I'm gonna try some of it without the shrimp first. Okay. Just stand for a little salt, but it's fine. Alright, let's try. Okay. I dig it. We'll give it about 7.5. Only because I didn't use a lot of seasoning. But it's not bad. Next time I know to put a little bit more. But y'all, what I do want to do is start asking like questions. My first question is, and this is just put in the comments below. If you can tell your partner one thing that they can do better at, what would it be? And why? Because each video now I'm going to ask a person to ask their partner or either their family member, whoever it is, can they change something? Or a certain type of other questions, just different random questions. And I want you to put your answers down below in the comments. All right. So I need y'all to do me a favor. Comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know that I've arrived. And judging by how I look, I'm tired from this. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing this again here. But appreciate you guys. Thank you for sending in little notes and stuff, just telling me to get well. I appreciate that. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that I do it all.